Earth has orbited the Sun for over 4.5 billion years. Time enough for humankind to evolve into an intelligent and technologically advanced species. But compared to the age of the universe, planet Earth is just a kid.
The Earth is over 4.5 billion years old, and we think it's taken this long to create the first technological civilization, us. There are star systems out there much older than we are. The universe is 13.8 billion years old.
We tend to think we're hot stuff, right? We're technologically capable, we can build rockets and we can listen to radio waves. But a typical other intelligent advanced civilization would be literally millions of years ahead of us in technology.
So if an alien society has been around much longer than us, how much more technologically advanced could they be? One method of measuring is provided by the Kardashev scale.
The Kardashev scale classifies potential alien civilizations into 3 types based on the amount of energy that they're able to harness from their local environment. A Type 1 civilization can harness the energy of only its home planet. A Type 2 could hypothetically harness the energy of its own solar system. And a Type 3 could harness the energy potentially of an entire galaxy.
If you're wondering where we fit on the scale, prepare for some bad news.
We're somewhere between a 0 and a 1. We can't use all of Earth's resources, so we're at about a 0.7.
An advanced species reaching Kardashev level 2, or even 3, could create highly advanced structures that could harness the power of a star.
If you get to be an advanced enough civilization, eventually, if your energy demands are so huge, you might build solar panels that you have enveloped your star. This was first thought of by Freeman Dyson, and so we call these Dyson spheres.
If such epic engineering occurs in other star systems, or even other galaxies, could we pick up some evidence and then make first contact?
The thing about a Dyson sphere is that you've completely blocked all the light coming out from a star, except for the infrared, because these panels are absorbing that sunlight and warming up. When you warm up an object, it gives off what's called thermal infrared light. You can scan the skies looking for that signature to see if there are any Dyson spheres out there.
2015. NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer scanned 100,000 nearby galaxies to locate advanced Kardashev civilizations by observing infrared light leaking away from Dyson spheres. They detected nothing.
No such galaxy was found, so they didn't find any infrared smoking gun.
Given our universe is so old, surely other civilizations should have had time to evolve. If so, maybe we've simply missed them.
It's entirely possible that civilizations arose, tried to communicate with the galaxy around them, and the problem was they were asking too early for us. They're trying to knock on our door, but our house wasn't built yet.
Earth has been around for under 1/3 of the universe's 13.8 billion year lifespan. The human race, just 300,000 years, a relatively tiny window of opportunity to make first contact.
We've been looking at the sky for tens of years, something like that. What is the likelihood that at that exact moment, someone is going to be beaming a signal toward us?
Perhaps the universe prevents intelligent civilizations from surviving for very long, making our chances for first contact even more unlikely.
Maybe there is something out there that is filtering us from seeing them. We actually call this the Great Filter. Maybe there is something that says, yeah, you're not getting past here.
Rocky planets like ours are ideal for hosting life, but they are fragile. And this fragility means the universe could filter out intelligent life quickly.
We've discovered very violent star explosions like gamma ray bursts. These are powerful enough, they may sterilize planets, even across an entire galaxy.
And even if intelligent species survive natural phenomena, they may still be filtered out by hitting self-destruct.
As we can tell from our own experience, the moment that we started developing technology, we also developed the means for our own destruction by changing the climate on our planet, by developing weapons of mass destruction. And so it's quite possible that civilizations that are advanced enough are short-lived. And if they're short-lived, that would explain why at this point in time there are very few of them that might be around to communicate with us.
Finding the relics of an extinct alien civilization could be the ultimate cosmic warning for the human race.
If we were to find a civilization out there that may have destroyed themselves by pollution or conflict, it would be almost like staring into a mirror, and it would be a very grim foreshadowing and maybe a lessons learned for us humans here on Earth.
We can only hope that some advanced alien species escape the universe's deadly filter. But even if ET still exists out there, the odds remain stacked against first contact.
One other way that we've got this alien contact story a bit wrong is just down to the laws of physics.
Every day, the physics of the cosmos makes our chances of contact worse. Because our universe is expanding, and it's expanding fast. February 2018. Astrophysicists at the University of Oklahoma find a potential series of rogue planets, 3.8 billion light years away, ranging between the size of our moon and Jupiter. These would be the first alien worlds ever discovered outside our galaxy. And maybe the first of many.
Our galaxy alone has trillions of planets. The observable universe has trillions of galaxies. It's estimated about 2 trillion. So trillions of trillions? Come on.
But finding exoplanets is no guarantee of finding alien life. And when it comes to contacting extraterrestrials, our efforts have met with silence.
Our search for life has come up empty. Do we need to change our tactics? Are we doing something wrong?
I think it's going to be very, very hard to find extraterrestrial intelligence the way that we're looking for it. We would have to get really, really lucky. But I don't think we're going to get lucky. I think that if we want to know whether there's life out there in the cosmos, we have to go visit it.
We've sent the New Horizons probe billions of miles across the solar system to Pluto. Perhaps one day we'll be able to send spacecraft across the universe to search for alien life on distant rogue planets.